Hi YouTube, today we are going to be doing some bottle flips, and it is 6:25 or 20, I don't know. Okay, I'm going to look for something to flip. I just farted. Okay. Let's try this, the helmet. It's actually real easy, but you don't always land it. Okay. In my room, I always find a stand. Like this. Like this. It's a loud thing, and it's really loud, so. Okay. And maybe after this, I'll do some art or crafts. Something. Like nothing. Oh yeah, if you saw the other video yesterday, my brother made this. It was real cool. And he made this, so it was easy. Just a little big guy. I don't know what to flip. There's a lot of things. But yeah, I'm definitely not doing the if you've seen the T flip, I'm definitely not doing that. Ooh. I just found this thing. So weird. My brother broke it off something, I'm guessing. Okay. That doesn't count. I didn't flip it. That hit me. And it didn't even. Oh. If this can steer, then it's just hard. It broke. That okay. Okay. So right now we're gonna be doing some crafts. Okay. Get my scissors. Okay. And we are gonna be making to make. There's a lot of things to make, but I don't know what to make. I know what we can make. Dreamcatcher or fortune teller. Let's go. First, I think you fold all of them into the middle. Fold all of them into the middle. This is hard. I'm not even good at this. So I'm just doing the folds. Fold all the edges into the middle. Oh yeah, I already said that. I just need my scissors for something. Okay, I think I got it. Got it. Okay. No, not really, I didn't get it. I'm just trying to cut a piece off that was way too big. Okay, that's good enough. Now I'm on the other sides. In my house, everybody's sleeping. I'm the only one awake. My eyes are dark. See, these are pretty equal, really. Okay, and I think you fold it together. Fold it together like this. And then what? Wait, then we fold it back and do the other side. Okay. Yeah, now I know what I think we do. Wait, let me check, I'm trying to figure it out. If you guys know it, don't blame me, I'm not good at doing it, so. Oh yeah, then we fold it this way, I think. I think we fold it all the way around. I don't know, but I'm just trying to do it my way. And if it works, it's going to be a surprise. Okay. Other way. No, that's wrong. I'm going to do it this way. I know how to do it, but I just forget. Oh, I messed up. Go back to the bed. I know what I did wrong. Think. How about this? We're gonna make a paper airplane. I like paper airplanes. Comment down below how to do it, like the steps, and also tap that like button down below. Okay. I'll try on this later. Ooh. Okay. Fold it this way. So it's like opened up, so it's like this. Do 2 folds. Okay. And when you do the 2 folds, do the same exact thing. And we are not making the dart, we're making something else. Okay. Once you're done with that, fold it like this. It's like the same exact way. No, that's wrong. We don't fold it up. Try it back. And try and do it again. Do it again. It's really hard. Ooh. Try to fold mine. One sec. Okay. camera's not working. Okay. Do the same on the other side. If you had trouble, but if you're already done, then it even takes long for me to do it, so don't blame the kid. It's doing it's hard. So hard. Okay. Now you fold it over. Let's see what you get. It's not working correctly. Okay. Then fold them down to the bottom, just like the dart. So it's just like the same steps, but it's probably gonna be different. You don't have to fold it down all the way. Because I'm not folding it down all the way. So, and look what you get. It's pretty nice, actually. I just made random steps up. There you go. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna put you guys right here. I'm just setting the camera up. So as you can see, when we're throwing it, I just got stuck on my foot. Okay. Just throwing over there. That was bad. 1 second, I'm just gonna get it. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing something else. Okay, where should I set you guys up? Right here, So we're gonna move something over. Okay, so I'm gonna be throwing it right at the yellow thing, that yellow target. It's so cool. 1 second. Oh, mine's messed up a little bit. Okay. That's all we have today, guys. Bye.